Hi. So here we have in an examination there are 75 questions. 3 marks are awarded for each correct answer and 1 mark was deducted for each wrong answer. Okay. So the marking scheme is +3 for correct, -1 for wrong, and 1 mark was awarded for each unattempted. So +1, 3 for correct, 1 for wrong, -1 for wrong, and for each unattempted question there was a +1 marking scheme. Great. So Rayan scored a total of 97 marks in the exam. If the number of unattempted questions was higher than the number of attempted questions, then the maximum number of correct answers that Rayan could have given in the exam is what? Fine. So let's say the number of correct, wrong and unattempted questions was C, W and U respectively. Now we know there were total 75 questions, hence C plus W plus U should be 75. Fine. Now it's given that the number of unattempted questions was higher than the attempted questions. Unattempted questions is U and attempted questions is the correct plus the wrong questions. Even wrong questions are attempted, right? So C plus W is the number of attempted questions and U is the unattempted questions. So U should be greater than C plus W. This is what we have. Fine. So now C plus W we know is 75 minus U. So U should be greater than 75 minus U. That's what we have. Okay. So U goes on the left side. 2U is greater than 75. Hence U is greater than 75 by 2, which is 37.5. That means the number of unattempted questions should be greater than 37.5. So since it is number of questions, it cannot be half, it has to be an integer. So U can be either 38, 39, 40, so on till 75. This can be the number of unattempted questions because unattempted questions has to be higher than the number of attempted questions. Now done. Next is Rayan scored 97 marks in the exam. Now how could he be, the 97 marks that he scored must be equal to sum of the marks from correct questions plus the wrong questions plus the unattempted questions. Now for each correct question he gets +3. So marks for correct answers would be 3 into C. For each wrong answer he gets -1. So marks from wrong answers will be -1 into W and from unattempted questions it will be +1 into W. So plus C minus W plus U. This is the total marks that he would get. This should be equal to 97. So now we have these two equations 1 and 2. Let's add both of these. If you add both of these, 3C plus 3C will be 4C. W and minus W will get cancelled out. U plus U is 2U, which is 75 plus 97, which is 172. Now again dividing by 2, we have 2C plus U is 86. Half of 172 is 86. So we get 2C is equal to 86 minus U. Now, since we have 2C is equal to 86 minus U, and if we are trying to maximize C, what we need to do is we need to minimize U. 2C is 86 minus U. So 86 minus U will be maximized when the number which is getting subtracted is minimized. Now what is the minimum value that you can take? The minimum value you can take is 38. So let's see if that's possible. So 2C is 86 minus 38, which is 48. Hence C comes out to be 48 by 2, which is an integer, perfectly possible, right? So the maximum correct questions that he attempted was 24. Fine. Now the question is maximum number of correct answers that he has given is 24. Hence the answer here is 24. Thank you.